Sublime Text. It is text and source code editor. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Browser open. Google search box lo enter Sublime Text download. Enter key press. sublimetext.com downloads. First link click. Sublime Text official web page complete display download section lo build version 4200 supporting OS and platform Mac OS, Windows, Linux. Updated version 21 May 2025 year. Second option Windows click. Thanks for downloading Sublime Text. Download section lo setup.exe file downloading process. File size 15.4 MB. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Sublime Text.exe file display. Select mouse double click. Sublime Text setup window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Select destination location. Installation Sublime Text path display and location. Local disk C program files newly created directory Sublime Text. In case change the another OneDrive or folder, browse button click. Present unnecessary free space required 55.7 MB. First button next click. Select additional task. Add to explore context menu. Related option left side box tick mark set. Second button next click. Ready to install. Second button install click. Installing. Completing the Sublime Text setup wizard. Window lo finish button click. Desktop Windows search box lo enter Sublime Text. First option select Sublime Text user interface complete display. Window maximize. File menu click. Open folder option select. Left side desktop select. Top section lo second button new folder click. Keyboard delete key press. Coding related folder name enter. Python files enter key press. Bottom side first one button select folder click. Created folder folders window lo display. Enter the Python simple script. Print open bracket double quoted output executed text anyone enter chari tech info. File menu click. Save option select. A created folder select desktop folder select. Open file name anyone enter chari dot extension py. First button save click. Created file chari dot py. Another one file create. Python files select. Mouse right click. New file. Insert in text editor. Left side expand icon click. Next tools menu click. Build system. Option select sub panel. Coding related options. Python or keyboard shortcut key Control B. Python select executed output chari tech info Warangal. Increase font size. Top section preferences option menu click. Last one option font select sub panel first option choose select your convenient font style. Second one regular bold italic. Third one default 11 set 14. Select first button OK click. Reset this font size preferences menu. Re-click font option select last one reset size select.